Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best smart multimeter, the Habotest HT129. This smart, stylish, and precise tool is designed to simplify your electrical tasks. So stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features: high-definition color display. The HT129 features a VA True Color screen with bright backlighting, offering clear visibility even in dim lighting. The large display has over 50% screen-to-body ratio, giving vivid readings and reducing eye strain during extended use or detailed work. Enhanced precision with 10,000 counts. This multimeter supports a wide 10,000 count measurement range, allowing extremely precise and accurate readings. Whether you're checking simple circuits or performing complex diagnostics, this range boosts the tool's reliability and flexibility. Probe socket indication for easy setup. When changing functions, the correct probe socket icon flashes on the display, helping users easily insert test leads correctly. This smart guide system minimizes errors and boosts safety, especially handy for beginners and fast-paced work. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery. Forget buying disposable batteries. The HT129 includes a 3.7-volt rechargeable lithium battery. Just charge and go. It's convenient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective, making it always ready when you are. Smart Function Auto Selection. This multimeter makes your job easier with intelligent function selection. It automatically recommends the appropriate mode based on the test, saving time and effort. Perfect for both beginners and professionals. High-precision, intelligent measurement. Accuracy matters, and the HT129 delivers. Its intelligent high-precision system ensures every measurement is spot on. Whether for troubleshooting or analysis, it gives reliable data every time. Pros: crisp, backlit color display for better visibility. Wide 10,000 count range ensures detailed precision. Probe guidance makes setup error-free. Built-in rechargeable battery saves money and time. Auto function select enhances ease of use. Ideal for beginners and experts alike. Cons: might be over-featured for basic household tasks. Requires occasional recharging. The color display may consume more battery under continuous use. Final thoughts: if you want a reliable, smart, and stylish multimeter, the Habotest HT129 is the perfect choice. Its intelligent features and sleek display take electrical measurements to the next level. Want accurate measurements without the guesswork? Then the HT129 is made for you. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome, time-saving tech tools.